This city has roads on rooftops, trains that pass through buildings, and maps that don't make sense, even to locals. This isn't CGI, this isn't a movie set. This is Chongqing, China's most confusing city. Welcome to the 8D Megacity. Chongqing is one of the largest cities on Earth, with a population larger than that of many countries. But what makes it truly unique isn't the size. It's the vertical chaos. Built where two massive rivers meet, the Yangtze and the Jialing, Chongqing had no flatland to expand. So instead of spreading outward, the city grew upward and downward. In Chongqing, a road on the map might be 5 levels above you. A building's ground floor could be the 22nd floor. An overpass might pass through another overpass. You can exit a subway station and already be inside a skyscraper. This is why people call Chongqing an 8D city, not because of technology, but because space itself feels broken. One of Chongqing's most famous sights. It is a metro train that passes directly through an apartment building. No CGI, no special effects. The solution was simple and futuristic. Soundproof floors, vibration control, and precise engineering. In Chongqing, the city doesn't avoid obstacles, it builds through them. When night falls, Chongqing transforms. Neon lights reflect off rivers. Fog wraps around skyscrapers. Highways glow like circuits. From above, the city looks less like an urban area and more like a living machine. This is why Chongqing is often compared to cyberpunk movies. But none of those films captured the absolute scale. Chongqing isn't just visually futuristic. It represents how modern China builds cities. Dense, vertical, hyper-efficient, designed for millions. Instead of limiting growth, Chongqing embraced complexity. And in doing so, it created one of the most surreal urban environments on Earth. Chongqing isn't just visually futuristic. It represents how modern China builds cities. Dense, vertical, hyper-efficient, designed for millions. Instead of limiting growth, Chongqing embraced complexity. And in doing so, it created one of the most surreal urban environments on Earth.